In my last minimalist video, I shared what minimalism is and what it's not. In this video, I'll be sharing the strategies I use to make my kitchen go from being a hot Sunday mess to being nice and clean with my daily minimalist cleaning routine. Because this won't do. So let's get started. So the first thing I do is put away any dishes from my dishwasher that need to be put away. And right after this, for my sanity's sake, I clear everything off the counters. I start with items that don't belong in the kitchen because it's an easy first step and because it's part of my minimalist mindset and approach, which is it doesn't matter if I don't know where else to put it. What I do know is that it doesn't belong here, so it's gotta go. Then I gather any plates and bowls from around the house, put them in the sink and fill them with water so they can soak, and I consolidate all the cups, pots, and pans into one place. I say this is for my sanity's sake because once I've gotten all the plates and bowls off the counter and into the sink and consolidated all the cups and pots into one place, what was once an overwhelming looking task now looks and feels way more manageable and approachable. Once the counters are cleared, I spray and wipe them down and start loading the dishwasher. Once everything is organized, it becomes an easy, mindless task that I can breeze through. I love this cleaning routine because it addresses and works with my mental hesitation, which is almost all the battle, and it turns an overwhelming task into an accomplishment. If you need a cleaning routine or a system to declutter your whole house, you can download and use my Minimalist workbook to help you clean and declutter easily and effectively. You can find it on my website, or you can just click the link in the description below. After I load all the glasses, bowls, and plates into the dishwasher, I wash the pots and pans and set them to dry on the counter. It's easy to wash our pots and pans because we eat mostly plants and we do our best to keep a low to no oil diet. So there's no baked on cheese to scrub off, no stuck on egg, and very little grease for our soap to have to cut through. Check out my food and fitness videos and channel if you want to eat healthier or if you just want to make it easier to clean your dishes. So you may have noticed the smoothie in the blender. As a mother of 3, I like to have food ready for the next snack and meal, and for the inevitable, "Mommy, I'm hungry." So I just rinse it out right away while it's still easy to clean that one last dish, and I'm all done. Ready to enjoy this smoothie snack with my little ladies. Yes, much better. Please like if you found this video helpful, download your Minimalist workbook to help you clean and declutter, subscribe for more minimalist tips and inspiration, and I'll see you in the next video.